So here we have the DJI Osmo Action 3. This is just an unboxing by a British person who's bought it with their own money. No affiliation to DJI whatsoever. Originally bought through Amazon, but they let me down. They had a delivery date of the 4th, which they never achieved. So I changed my supplier and bought it from Guy. First things to do is work out how to put this in the box. This is not a slick unboxing. How would it be slick when I'm on the end of this knife? Let's get the cellophane off. There she is. I bought the adventure combo. How do you open it? Aha. Open here. Right, so open her up, you slit a little bit underneath and it opens like that. There's the camera. First impressions is it is quite a nice size, all wrapped up in the typical DJI plastic. The lens cover, I always stick these on there. And you've got the battery box, which is one of the things that most interested me, because I always lose the batteries. I've got other action cameras, much cheaper versions, and I always lose the batteries. So 3 batteries in there, which is rather neat. Obviously not one in there. And you get a little box of accessories. Who knows what will be in here? Some silica gel, which is useful. Put that in your bag with your Mini 3 and that might help demisting misting up issues. So several bits and bobs. Empty box. So we've got a mount that would stick onto something. One screw, another screw. This is the mount that you would use if you're into vertical video, which I'm not. A protector for the camera ring, a spare one. Don't imagine I'll use that a lot. So you've got the 2 clips, quick connector clips. Get the magnet the right way. And they go on like that. That is quite nifty. Quick change, not quite as slick as the other past reviews do it, but that magnet is very strong. And we get 2 of those. The adventure combo is about 90 quid more than the ordinary combo, and I think you get a lot extra for it, particularly that, which is important. And also you get a USB-C to USB charge cable, some instructions that nobody ever uses but always dutifully keeps them in the box. Some DJI stickers, that's interesting. I'll find a use for those somewhere. I've got a mark on my motorhome, so I might put those over there. And then we got the long bit on the side of the box which fell out. As I say, this is not a slick unboxing. It's a real unboxing by Fat Bloke, fatbloke.com. There you have the, I suppose you'd call it selfie stick, which extends quite a lot more than I thought. That's pretty good. I thought you got a bit that fixed in the bottom, but obviously not. Just stand it up. I'll have to buy a little tripod end for that. But that's the DJI Action selfie stick. So you get in the box camera, 1 quick connector, 2 quick connectors, external case for vertical mode, 1 twisty lock screw, the 2nd twisty lock screw, USB to USB-C cable, charging brick, with 3 batteries, 1 flat sticky on adapter. Obviously these go like that. Sincerely hope these dimensions are standard, what people would call GoPro dimensions, because I've got many connectors for that type of thing. A spare ring, not to be lost, probably will be, and your selfie stick. So that's what you get. Oh, and some silica gel. That's what you get for £399. As you can see, little Stink was very interested in the unboxing, and Big Stink seems to be making something in the kitchen. Chili sauce at the Chili's will, I think, but who knows with her. Shickery. So it should keep that horizon steady, whatever you do. One, two, three, four, five. This is a test of the microphone and horizon balance. Yeah, I like the horizon balance. This is only at 1080p, people. And there's the Popstar. And there's her indoors, still doing whatever she does.